Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. Today in this video, I am going to solve another problem of accounting equation. In previous video, we already solved few problems. Now today I am going to solve few another problems. Okay, let us see here. First of all, we will write here the formula of accounting equation that we are using from earlier, which is total assets equal to liabilities plus capital. This formula we will use in whole the chapter. Now, first of all, we have to understand the question what is given here, what are the transactions, and from these transactions how many assets or how many liabilities are creating here. So first of all, we have to read each and every transaction. See here, first one is commence business with cash rupees 50,000. It means here first asset will be create cash. Now second transaction is paid into the bank. It means bank balance also will be created here. So we will write here bank balance, cash balance, both are asset. Third one is purchase goods for cash rupees 20,000 and credit rupees 30,000. From cash 20,000 and credit rupees 30,000. He is purchasing goods. Purchasing goods, it means here a stock will also be created. So we will write here a stock. From credit he is also purchasing the goods. So here one liability is also creating here, creditors. We will write here liability side. And the fourth transaction is sold goods for cash rupees 40,000, cost rupees 30,000. This is the cost price and this is the selling price. From this we can find how much profit or loss. Fifth, rent paid how much? 500. Rent paid 500 means cash payment. There will be no any asset or liability. Rent outstanding. Here also creating a liability. Rent outstanding. Bought furniture. How much? 5,000 on credit. It means here another asset is also creating furniture. Furniture. Bought refrigerator for personal use. Purchasing refrigerator not for business use. Personal use means cash or capital will be reduced. There will be no any asset for the business. And last, purchase motorcycle for cash. Here nothing is mentioned that he is purchasing motorcycle for personal use or business use. If it is not mentioned, it means the person is purchasing motorcycle for business use, not the personal use. Okay. Here one asset, one more asset will be created here. Motorcycle. Liabilities. First liability is creating here creditor plus outstanding expense and plus capital. We have all the things asset and liabilities. Now we are going to solve problem. Transaction number first. Commence business with cash. How much? 50,000. Here cash value will be 50,000. Bank value 0. Stock value 0. Furniture 0. Motorcycle 0. Creditor 0. Outstanding expense 0. And this will be the capital also 50,000. Second transaction. Come to the second transaction. Paid into bank. How much? 10,000. Paid into bank means what is paying into the bank? Cash. It means here cash balance will be decreased by 10,000 and bank balance will be increased by 10,000. Stock, there will be no impact. Furniture, no impact. Motorcycle, no impact. Creditor, no impact. Outstanding expense, no impact. Capital, no impact. Now we have to find out what is the new equation. New equation will be here. How much? 40,000 plus bank balance 10,000 plus 0 0 0 is equal to 0 0 plus this will be as it is 50,000. Now come to the third transaction. In third transaction, purchase goods for cash 20,000 and credit 30,000. It means total stock how much you are purchasing, 20 and plus 30, it means 50,000. So first of all, your stock value will be increased by 50,000. From cash how much you are purchasing, 20,000. It means your cash value will be reduced or decreased by 20,000, and 30,000 your creditor value will be increased here. How much? 30,000 plus 0 plus here there will be no impact. Now we have to find out the new equation. New equation will be here. 40 minus 20, 20,000 plus 10,000 plus 50,000 plus 0 plus here also 0 is equal to 30,000 plus 0 plus 50,000 will be as it is. Now come to the transaction number 4. In transaction number 4, sold goods for cash how much? 40,000. Costing how much? 30,000. It means selling price 40,000 and cost price how much? 30,000. Here proprietor is getting profit. How much? 10,000 he is getting profit. Here the cash value will be increased by 40,000 because you are selling goods for 40,000 plus bank balance 0 plus stock. Your cost price is how much? 30,000. It means your stock will be reduced by 30,000. Your stock will be reduced by 30,000 plus 0 plus here 0 is equal to 0 plus 0. Here you are getting profit how much? Profit is 10,000. It means your capital will be increased by 10,000. So we will add here in capital 10,000. Now the new equation will be, what will be the new equation? The new equation will be here 60,000 plus 10,000 plus 50 minus 30, 20,000 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 30,000. Here it will be as it is plus 0 plus here it will be 60,000. Now come to the transaction number 5th. What is the transaction number 5th? Transaction number 5th is here. Rent paid how much? 500. Rent paid 500. It means you will pay the rent from cash. 500 your cash balance will be reduced. 0 here no impact. Here also no impact. No impact. 0 and here your capital will be decreased by 500. Now find out the new equation. 60,000 minus 500, 59,500 plus 10,000 as it is plus 20,000 as it is, plus 0 is equal to 30,000 as it is, plus 0 plus 59,500. Now come to the transaction number 6. What is the transaction number 6? In transaction number 6, here is rent outstanding. How much? 100. Rent outstanding. Outstanding means you have not paid rent. It means there will be no impact on cash. Here there will also be no impact. Here there will be no impact. Here there will be no impact. Here no impact. Here no impact. Plus this is the outstanding amount area. Here we will write 100 rupees plus your capital will be reduced because here liability is creating here. So any liability, if any liability will create, then your capital will be reduced by 100. Now what will be the new equation? The new equation will be here 5,000 59,500 as it is, plus 10,000 as it is, plus 20,000 plus 0 is equal to 30,000 plus 100 plus 59,400. Now come to the transaction number 6. So transaction number 6 is here. How much? Bought furniture 5,000 on credit. He is purchasing furniture. How? By credit. So transaction number 7 will be here. Cash no impact. Here bank balance no impact. Here stock no impact. This is the head of furniture. Here furniture value will be increased by 5,000. Here there will be no impact. And creditors, here is creditor because he is purchasing furniture on credit. So creditors value will also be increased by 5,000. Here there will be no impact. Here there will be no impact. Now we will find out the new equation. What will be the new equation? 59,500 as it is. Here 10,000 as it is. 20,000 as it is, plus furniture value 5,000 plus motorcycle 0. Here 35,000 plus 100 plus 59,400. This is the value. Now come to the transaction number 8. See here, what is the transaction number 8? The transaction number 8 is bought refrigerator for personal use. How much? 5,000. He is purchasing refrigerator for personal use, not for business use. It means our cash value will be decreased. This is drawing. So our cash value will be decreased by 5,000. Bank balance no impact. Stock no impact. Here furniture no impact. 0. Here no impact. Here no impact. Plus your capital will also be reduced by 5,000 because you are withdrawing cash from business for your personal use. Here the new equation will be 54,500 plus here 10,000 plus here 20,000 plus here 5,000 plus 0 is equal to 35,000 plus 100 plus 54,400. Now come to the last transaction. What is the last transaction? The last transaction is purchased motorcycle for cash 20,000. He is purchasing motorcycle, as I discussed earlier, that he is purchasing motorcycle for business use because nothing is mentioned in question. That means he is purchasing for business use. So here cash value will be decreased by 20,000. This is the transaction number 9. our cash value will be decreased by 20,000. Here bank balance no impact, stock no impact, furniture no impact. Here this is the motorcycle head. Here 20,000 will be increase, is equal to here 0 0 plus here also 0. Now come to the new equation. What will be the new equation? The new equation will be here 54,500 minus 20,000. 34,500 plus here 10,000 plus 20,000 plus furniture how much? 5,000 and motorcycle how much? 20,000 is equal to creditors value how much? 35,000 plus outstanding rent how much? 100 plus capital how much? 54,400. Now we have to see that LHS value of LHS is equal to RHS or not. If the value of LHS and RHS is equal, it means your solution is correct. So check here 34,500, here 10,000 means 44,500, here 20,000 means 64,500, and here 20,000, 64 plus 20, 84,500 plus 5,000, it means 89,500. Now see here 54,400 plus 100, 54,500 plus 35,000, 54,500 plus 35, it means 89,500. Both the side having the same value 89,500 and 89,500. It means our equation is correct.